Okay, this time we're going to have x's on both sides. Now, we only actually want one x at the end, so we have to work out how we're going to get rid of that. So let's start with a more basic one like this. 5x minus 3 equals 8x plus 7. Now, the big X is over this side, so I want to put this one over here so that I'm not dealing with negatives. So for me, I'm going to move this one over to here, and I'm going to move this one over to here, so at the same time, changing their signs as I go. So this is a positive. I'm going to subtract it on this side, so it'll be 8x minus 5x. All right? On this side, I've got negative 3 still, and 7 needs to go behind it, but it's going to be minus 7 because we're subtracting. Add, subtract. This tidies up to negative 10. This tidies up to 3x. Now, because these are equations, they read the same this way as they do this way. So we're allowed to swap them around on the equal sign. So if I've got 3x here, I can swap it around and have 3x on the other side. So I'm going to put the 3x equals negative 10 here because we like our answer to say x equals negative 10 over 3. Can't simplify, beautiful, don't need to do anything with that. We get ones also that have brackets in them. Right, so we need to multiply out the brackets first. So we've got 10x plus 5 equals 3x minus 6. This time the little amount of x's is here, so I'm going to bring them to this side. So the x's are going to travel behind the other one. The 5 is going to travel to behind the negative 6. So we get 10x minus 3x equals negative 6 minus 5. All right? Okay, so that gives us 7x and negative 11. X equals, we're dividing by 7, so it goes on the bottom over 7. Okay, watch your signs. It's very important to make sure your signs are all equal. One other one that they like to do could be this one. A little bit harder. All right, no. So this time both the brackets are on this side. We've still got 2 x's. So if we multiply out the brackets here, we get 5x minus 15. Now here's the part that's tricky. It's negative 6 we're multiplying by. So negative 6 times 2 is negative 12x. And negative 6 times 1 is negative 6 equals 8. Tidy up this side. 5x minus 12x is negative 7x. Negative 15 minus 6 is negative. Negative 15 take away more. Negative 21 equals 8. So negative 7x equals, move the negative 21 on the other side, so plus 21, 29. And now divide by negative 7, 29, 2 equals, that's funny. 29 divided by negative 7. Usually we write with a negative on the top. It's not wrong not to, but it's where it belongs. All right? So we can't put 7 into 29. Happy with that answer too.